Colic, eczema, skin rashes, and irritability after feeding. It can be overwhelming to watch your baby suffer because of a cow's milk allergy. But with Nutramigen A+ with LGG hypoallergenic formula, it is clinically proven to settle colic symptoms often within 48 hours. Talk to your doctor on how it may end cow's milk allergy sooner. When cow's milk allergy is a thing of the past, you and your baby can get back to feeling good. Find out more at enfamil.ca/allergy.
For my mother's generation, having a baby with colic or food sensitivities was a real challenge. Back then, baby formula was baby formula. Fortunately, times have changed for the better. Nutramigen, from the maker of Enfamil, was created specifically for babies with colic due to cow's milk protein allergy. Only Nutramigen has the power of 2, an extensively hydrolyzed protein designed to reduce baby's allergen exposure, plus a probiotic to help strengthen baby's intestinal barrier and help promote digestive health. These 2 components make Nutramigen effective for managing colic due to cow's milk protein allergy. And it works fast, typically in less than 48 hours. The maker of Enfamil is a proven leader in baby nutrition for over a century, so you can trust that your baby is getting the nutrition he or she needs to learn and grow. For proven performance, trust Nutramigen.
Is it easy to tell if your baby has a cow's milk protein allergy? Not always. CMPA is caused by hypersensitivity of the body's immune system to the protein in cow's milk. Signs can include colic, rash, or irritability at or after feeding time. Depending on whether it's IgE or non-IgE, symptoms can appear immediately or days later. It can be managed by eliminating milk and dairy products for breastfeeding women or formula-fed infants may need to switch to a hypoallergenic formula, such as Nutramigen A+ with LGG. Clinically proven to quickly reduce colic due to CMPA, it now has LGG culture, a friendly bacteria that can help with cow's milk protein allergy management. To learn more, speak with your doctor and ask about Nutramigen A+ with LGG. Learn more about Nutramigen A+ with LGG at enfamil.ca.